Control plus A. It is used to select all the contents of the page. Control plus B. It is used to bold the highlighted text. Control plus C. It is used to copy any selected text or another object. Control plus D. It is used to bookmark an open web page or open font window in Microsoft Word. Control plus E. It is used to center text. Control plus F. It is used to open find window. Control plus G. It is used to open find in a browser and word processors. Control plus H. It is used to open the find and replace in Notepad, Microsoft Word and WordPad. Control plus I. It is used to italicize text. Control plus J. It is used to view downloads in browsers and set justify alignment in Microsoft Word. Control plus K. It is used to create a hyperlink for the highlighted text in Control plus L. It is used to select address bar in browser or left align text in a word processor. Control plus M. It is used to indent selected text in word processors and other programs. Control plus N. It is used to create a new page or document. Control plus O. It is used to open a file in most programs. Control plus P. It is used to open a print window to print the page you are viewing. Control plus R. It is used to reload a page in browser or right align text in a word processor. Control plus S. It is used to save the document or file. Control plus T. It is used to create a new tab in an internet browser or adjust tabs in a word processor. Control plus U. It is used to underline selected text. Control plus V. It is used to paste any text or another object that has been copied. Control plus W. It is used to close open tab in a browser or close a document in Word. Control plus X. It is used to cut selected text or another object. Control plus Y. These keys will redo any undo action. Control plus Z. Pressing these two keys will undo any action. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching our video. If you liked our video, then please subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Thank you very much.